Hi, and welcome to the course on hands-on machine learning using JavaScript. I am Arish Ali and I'll be the instructor for this course. I am currently the CEO at a people analytics company. I have also been working as an artificial intelligence developer. Before this, I was working as a data scientist with Mu Sigma. Now let's see what we'll learn in this course. We'll start by learning about machine learning and setting up our environment in getting ready. Next, we'll dive headfirst into supervised learning, where we'll get ourselves comfortable with supervised learning and write codes in JavaScript. Next, we'll learn how to improve our model in improving our models, where we learn techniques like regularization and cross-validation. Next, we'll learn about support vector machines and random forest in using support vector machines and random forest for complex problems. Finally, we'll go into unsupervised learning, where we'll find hidden values in unlabeled data. Next, we'll go into deep neural networks, where we'll learn about neural networks and its application using JavaScript. So I hope to see you in this course. Thank you.